You know. So hello everyone, I'm JM Ibarra, ang poging syanong piloto B ng Quezon. So meron akong isang produkto dito no, na nagmula sa Hey Felle. At ito ay ang pinaka-cute na vacuum cleaner sa buong mundo. So, mabibili mo lang ito sa halagang 2,799. At kung ikaw ay kasalukuyang nanonood dito sa live, maaari mo siyang mabili sa halagang 2,379 pesos. O diba? Malaking bagay na yung nakatipid ka ng ganang 420. At kung sa specs naman, eh, hindi magpapatalo to. Kasi cordless na to, cordless rechargeable, at maliit man at magaan, pero may fashionable design, just like me.
Wow!
Pero hindi sa akin to, guys. At ayun, may LED indicators na rin siya, guys. At USB, din yung kanyang type. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito, guys, yung kanyang motor power na 70 watts lang, meaning hindi ganun kalakas magkonsumo pagdating sa kuryente, ano? Parang nabili mo na siya sa murang halaga at the same time nakatipid ka pa, di ba?
So guys, remember, vacuum cleaner dahil
Only 10 items left for the vacuum, guys, kaya ubusin nyo na, parang awan nyo na.
NJM, parang may iba pa. Pwede mo atang palitan.
Oo, kapag kumuha kayo nito, guys, kasama to sa package. Isang small brush at
Yung pangano sa dulo.
something tool na lang.
So, JM, pakiulit sa baka mga new viewers
Okay,
tayo.
para sa mga bagong dating, ulitin ko para sa inyo. Ito po ang isang vacuum na nagmula sa Hey Felle. Tama ba?
Tama.
At makukuha niyo siya sa halaga 2,379 pesos lang dito sa Last Light. Malaking bagay na ho yung nakamura ho kayo ng 420 pesos.
So, paano mo siya ginagamit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya JM kung ikaw ang mag-vacuum clean?
Itong vacuum na to, guys, marami itong pwedeng paggamitan. Hindi lang mga upuan, sofa, or sala. I suggest sa mga may sasakyan dyan. Sobrang applicable nito. Biro nyo sa friendly size, madaling dalhin. Sa mga laging nasa road trip dyan, guys, ito na yun. Ito na yung hinahanap nyo, guys. Pakiubos na. Parang awa nyo, napapagod na.
So, magkano na lang yan, JM? Kasi last 10 items na lang
Oo.
for the vacuum cleaner.
Guys, kunin nyo na kung mura. Nag-list 420 pesos na, guys. Yung original niya is 2,799. Ngayon, dito sa Last Live, makukuha nyo na lang siya ng 2,379 pesos, guys. Mura na yun, parang nawa nyo na. Last 2 minutes.
So, JM.
So, ayun, ulitin ko. Ang kanya specs ay meron po siyang, sa motor power, may 70 watts po siya, meaning hindi ho siya ganun kalakas magkonsumo ng kuryente kapag i-charge nyo. So, it's a win-win situation, guys, kasi mabibila niya siya sa murang halaga at the same time, makakatipid din ho kayo sa kuryente.
May tanong ako, JM. Pag may mga sulok-sulok sa kwarto, makukuha ba gamit yung vacuum cleaner?
Naku, kahit saang parte man yan ng bahay nyo, ubos yan. Lahat ng halikabok dyan. Nagtiwala ka sa
Yun, no?
Yeah, guys, ilang items na lang yung natitira, parang awan nyo, ubusin nyo na, please lang.
So, huwag kalimutan, magkano na lang ulit?
Ito ay nagkakahalaga na lang ng 2,379 pesos dito sa Last Live, kaya kunin nyo na! Parang awan nyo na.
Galing! So, guys, bili kayo sa Hey Felle. Pero aside from the vacuum cleaner, guys, syempre, ang Hey Felle, ang dami nilang appliances na pwede niyong pagbilhin. By the way, I am just the optimistic ate ng Dumaguete. The product na ipapakita ko sa inyo sa sunod ay, drum roll please. Taran! It's a portable mini cooler na mabibili sa Hey Felle. So what's good about this, guys? It's not just for cooling. compact, and of course, it has a cute appearance. Yung mini cooler po, yung may cute appearance.
O, pwede na sa akin.
Hindi. So guys, sobrang handy to. It's just 2.2 kilograms that you can just bring anywhere. So it's perfect on the go for travelers or who likes to travel like me. Do you like to travel?
Yes, of course. With you.
Okay. So kung gusto niyo mag-travel sa beach ba yan, sa mountain ba yan, picnic dates, or even just long drives with your family, with your friends, and even your partners, this is perfect kasi you can store fruits, you can store any food that you have sa picnic date nyo, maybe sandwiches, even your tea, you can have it. And perfect din to, not just for single people, for people in a relationship, but it's perfect also for mothers because you can store breast milk dito. So when you travel with your kids, syempre, you can pump na and then just put all the breast milk in the mini cooler that Hey Fele is offering. So grabe, sobrang sulit. And for students, alam ko, maybe school is starting up or you're already starting, this is perfect for your dormitory because you can store cosmetics or even your skincare products inside. So it's really multifunctional despite its size. But there's more. So when you open it, it's actually removable yung shelf. So you can actually store 6 soda cans inside if you want. So at least may reference kayo na yes, it's small, yes, it's handy, pero pasok pa rin yung 6 soda cans sa loob. So diba, JM, sobrang sulit. Bibilhin mo ba ito, JM?
Kung ikaw yung nagbebenta, papakyawin ko yan.
Kaya guys, pakiwin nyo na. Original price is 3,499. Pero ngayon, dahil sa Last Live exclusive price, it's only 2,974 pesos. So nakasave kayo ng 525 pesos. So sobrang sulit na guys. You can use this anywhere. Alam naman natin na air-conditioned yung bahay ni Kuya. But pag nasa pool area kami, yun, and it's sobrang hot, syempre gusto namin mag-stay cool and stay fresh pa rin. So nilalagay namin yung mga soda cans that we can put or maybe some food that we can store inside while we're chilling by the pool area. So sa mga bago dyan, please shop na sa Hey Fele yung portable mini cooler na pwede mo madala anywhere. It's not just for men, it's not just for women, but it's for everyone. It's for moms, it's for students, and lahat. So, sobrang multifunctional na to, hindi masasayang yung pera nyo. And I found out that pag na-charge mo siya, the cooling, let's say lifespan niya is up to 50,000 hours. So, dahil dyan, kayo naman compute kung pang ilang years yung lifespan ng mini cooler, but I believe it's so long. 24 hours a day lang tayo. So the portable mini cooler is really a necessity that you can have. It's very handy, it's multifunctional, and syempre, but you can't really store frozen meat dito guys ha. Let's just clear that up. Pero aside from that, ang dami nyo nang pwede malagay. Uulitin ko anong pwede. Fruits, mga food for picnic dates nyo, breast milk for moms, skincare products, cosmetic, medicine you can actually store inside, especially when you travel for long drives. You can even put this on at your homes if you want in your own room, dormitory for students, sa car nyo if gusto nyo maglagay or mag-store ng anything. And ano pa ba, JM?
Soda. Depende.
Oo, pwede. Mga beverages that you can put. So when you chill with your friends, everything is inside that. So diba, sobrang sulit na yung portable mini cooler. So, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-check out na kayo the link below.
Yes.
Ng Hey Fele portable mini cooler. So, yun. Sobrang handy, cute pa ng appearance, and pwede mo siyang dalhin ganun. Ito tingnan mo, hindi ako.
Mali.
Okay, so, okay.
Ganap na ganap.
Tapos open. Remember, natatanggal to. Grabe ka naman makatitig, JM. Okay, so guys, may tanong ba tayo sa mga tao, JM? So yung last word natin is bet or shish. So JM, tatanungin mo?
Sa akin, siguro yung bet. Kasi, bet kita? Huh?
Uy!
Hindi. Bet, sa'yo? Wala na, kinilig na siya agad.
Bet daw, sheesh!
Oh,
Sige,
kasi-
wala na. Ako na yung ano. So, i-describe mo bakit bet using
Kasi
your
bet-
product.
Kasi bet na bet ko siya. Ako, I suggest na bilang meron din akong private na sasakyan, magagamit ko to eh.
Kaya bet pinili mo. Sige, since pinili na niya yung bet, nasa shish na lang ako. Pag nakita ko to, napapa-shish na lang ako because it's multifunctional and has a cute appearance and pwede ko siyang dalhin anytime, anywhere. So kayo guys, papapiliin ko kayo ano yung word nyo na pipiliin. Bet ba?
Or shish.
shish? So, sabihin niyo lang shish. Ay, kasi multifunctional.
Hindi, yung bet, kasi nabakiligin ka pa eh.
Ang kapal talaga, guys. So, yun. So, bet na bet yung vacuum cleaner. Pakita mo naman yung vacuum cleaner mo. Pwede din siya panggamit.
Pwede siya sa damit.
So, ulitin mo, bakit bet yung word mo?
Kasi napakaraming bagay na pwede nitong paggamitan, guys. Damit, upuan, sofa, sala.
Sulok na,
Tapos,
kaya
sulok
bet.
yan, okay, tables.
Ako naman, shish! Kasi mapapashish na lang ako pag nakikita ko to because it's multifunctional. So, ang napiling last word ay... Bet! Wow! Pero bet talaga lahat, guys. So, don't forget, JM. Don't forget. So, my question, bakit dapat bilhin ng viewers, JM, ang product mo?
Kasi
At
guys,
hindi yung product ko.
so bakit nga ba kailangan yung bilhin to kesa dito? Siguro mas madalas yung magagamit to sa pang-araw-araw na buhay natin, ano? Kasi guys, sa alikabok na yan, kung saan man sulok ng bahay natin yan, marami tayong pwedeng makuhang sakit dyan. Eh dito, ayoko nang manira. Basta ito na.
Oo guys, yan yung sabi ni JM, pero you can store your medicine inside. So syempre, kailangan ka din prepared na masastore mo yung medicine.
Pero, hindi ka gagamit ng medicine kung hindi ka magkakasakit. Kaya guys, mas okay na yung safe ka.
Pero kasi guys, pwede mo din i-store yung skincare mo, your beauty, other beauty products that you have, medicine, tea.
Pero hindi lahat ng beauty products kailangan nasa malamig, di ba?
Okay, so yun na. Basta shop with Hey Fele. And don't forget guys na may iba pa tayong abangan ng bagong weekly shows on Last Live. So we have Last Expert. to find top trending electronics and appliances, we have Be Fabulous to shop best-selling beauty and fashion deals as seen on Last Live to catch deals for your daily essentials with live demonstrations.
And last chance to buy to grab clearance, sale items up to 50% off.
So watch and claim exclusive live stream discount vouchers pa. And guys, don't forget that it's 100% free shipping with other deals. So saan ka pa guys? No minimum spend. You just purchase and it's free shipping. Sobrang sulit na, di ba?
Sobrang sulit niya.
So don't forget also to shop other top brands on Last Live. We have Crimsil, Ponds, Hulishi PH, Hey Fella Philippines, and Akari. With deals up to 50% off, exclusive on Last Live with voucher discounts pa. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't leave kasi madami pa kaming mga exciting products na pwede nyo gamitin personally and of course sa bahay nyo. So thank you, please stay tuned, and don't forget na 100% free shipping and both product 15% off. Thank you!
Thank you guys!
Bye!